I decided to check out Chaxam.com, the platform that promises free gift card codes like Robux, Fortnite, Google Play, and others just by completing a few simple tasks. The whole thing seemed pretty straightforward at first. I followed the instructions, clicked through the links, filled out the offers, and went through the full process exactly as it was presented. Along the way, I noticed a lot of redirects to other sketchy-looking websites, and some of the tasks seemed a bit off or unrelated to what was being offered. Despite completing everything as required, I never actually received any of the promised rewards, which was disappointing but not entirely surprising. I didn't get any confirmation emails or proof that the process had even worked, and there wasn't really any support or contact info available on the site to follow up. It's also hard to ignore how new and unproven the site is, with almost zero transparency about who runs it or how it really works behind the scenes. While I didn't lose money or download anything harmful, at least as far as I can tell, it did feel like I traded a lot of time and personal information for nothing in return. So overall, it didn't feel like a total scam, but it definitely didn't deliver on what it claimed, and I'd say it's one of those platforms you might want to approach with a lot of caution.